This evening, FID to analyze aspects of Integrity Commission report. JLP takes legal action against the PNP. And we continue to delve into the details of the Integrity Commission's report on the Prime Minister's statutory declaration.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Love.
Well, Janella, Jamaicans paid more for alcoholic beverages over the last year. Yep. That's according to Statin's latest consumer price bulletin. I'll give you the details on that and much more in the business day a little later on.
Thank you so much, Anthony. Now with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Well, thank you, Javon. Well, the Jamaica Scorpions, they are back in training and they're preparing for the upcoming season, but still no coach in sight. And the Jamaica Women's Premier League champions, they scored their first ever goal, this in the CONCACAF Women's Cup. We'll tell you how a bit later on.
And look who decided to grace us with his presence this evening. Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have been having stable and fairly dry conditions across most of the island over the past couple of days, but this is expected to change this weekend when some wetter conditions are in the forecast.
Thank you, Romain. There's also sports commentary E-Prime and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And it is about sports. So, Jermaine, listen to this. What are your views on the ongoing light issue at the National Stadium?
You want to share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.